Parting the wild horse's mane. Try to imagine there's this beautiful tail of a horse, this beautiful horse's mane, okay? And what we want to do is we want to part the horse's mane like this. We're basically parting the mane, splitting the hair, if you will. And there's a lot of details to this. I'm only going to show you the basics behind this, but it's a lot like what I'll teach is, especially when I'm teaching kids, I'll say, chop the apple and then split the halves like this. But instead, we're going to think about parting the wild horse's mane, or parting the horse's mane is literally just this. You're brushing your hands across, literally like this, as though they're on a plane, okay? Or this way, right? But try to think of it this way. Nice stance, a light horse stance here, and you want to turn your body gently, and you want to turn like this, okay? I'll turn around like this. Parting the wild horse's mane, okay? Back and forth. Remember your rooting stance, you're nice and relaxed. And if you want to turn to go this way, our intention is this way, and not up on my toes, but we're going to go like this or this way. That's parting the wild horse's mane. That's basically what this is here. You can practice the other videos, but I wanted to give you the essentials. Parting the wild horse's mane.